Hello, and welcome to the Graco Education Center. Cleaning your sprayer properly and after every project is an important step in all spraying projects. Proper care and maintenance will make your sprayer last and work trouble-free. Begin by turning the prime spray knob down to the prime position to relieve the system pressure. Remove the cup assembly from the sprayer and remove the pump filter. Remove the cup lid and pour any extra paint back into the paint can. Clean all parts with warm water, including the inside of the vacuum valve. Fill a clean cup assembly half full with water and reattach it to the sprayer. Verify the prime spray knob is pointed down to the prime position. Turn the sprayer upside down and trigger for 15 seconds. Refill the cup assembly to the halfway mark with clean water and reattach it to the sprayer. Turn the prime spray knob forward to the spray position and turn the spray tip to the unclogged position. Turn the sprayer upside down and trigger it into a waste pail for 15 seconds. Turn the spray tip to the spray position and trigger it into the waste pail for 15 seconds. Repeat the cleaning steps as needed until the sprayer is clean. Then, turn the prime spray knob to the prime position. Remove the spray tip and clean it with warm water and an old toothbrush. And clean the spray tip guard and the pump filter. Reinstall the spray tip and turn it 90 degrees for storage. Empty the remaining fluid from the cup. Before storing your sprayer, be sure it's filled with Pump Armor storage fluid for trouble-free startup. And finally, wipe the paint off the outside of the sprayer using a soft cloth dampened with warm water. Thanks for visiting the Graco Education Center. We're always here to help.